Hello everyone, my name is Shiva from BBA Semester 6. My topic is monitoring and evaluating and abandonment analysis. What is monitoring? Monitoring is a continuous assessment that aims at providing all stakeholders with early detailed information on the progress or delay of the ongoing assessed activity. It is an oversight of the activity's implementation stage. Its purpose is to determine if the outputs, delivery, and schedules planned have been reached so that action can be taken to correct the deficiencies as quickly as possible. What is evaluation? An evaluation is a systematic and objective examination concerning the relevance, effectiveness, efficiency, and impact of activities in the light of specified objectives. The idea in evaluating projects is to isolate errors in order to avoid repeating them and to underline and promote the successful mechanisms for current and future projects. Role of project manager in monitoring and evaluation. Professional can have many different titles and can have quite a diversity of responsibility depending on the context and organization where they work. Common titles seen in government agencies, non-governmental organization and non-profit organization include M&E officer, M&E specialist and M&E manager. Their titles are often used interchangeably. How to create a monitoring and evaluation plan. So what is monitoring and evaluation? As the name implies, monitoring and evaluation is monitoring followed by evaluation. M&E involves collecting data, monitoring key indicators of a program, and evaluating whether it has met its objectives. And M&E plan outlines the procedure that will be used to evaluate whether or not the objective have been met. It should include data that will be collected, the method of collection and analysis, how the data will be used, and the resources that will be required to implement this plan. The whole M&E plan must be required to implement the plan. For example, if the program goal is to increase the number of school going children in a district of Uttar Pradesh, India, every element of the M&E plan will be designed with the objective in mind. M&E plan is most effective when it is designed at the beginning of the program. A monitoring and evaluating plan is critical because it helps an organization make informed decision about their program based on evidence. Second, identifies ways to use resources for more effectively and efficiently. Third, helps identify the impact of the program, gaps in implementation, and things that worked successfully. Provides data that can help convince donors to invest more or help program officers diverse alternative approaches to address their problem. Abandonment analysis. Project abandonment analysis is a process that organizations should execute before making decision upon stopping or continuance of their projects. This analysis embalances economic and administrative consideration that an organization should give to their projects prior to making a well-grounded project continuous versus abandoned decision when it is necessary for an organization to cease some of their project for the sake of a better viability of their other projects. What does it mean when a project is abandoned? When a project is marked as abandoned, it means that the client has not selected a winner within the assigned time frame. But don't worry, it's a rare. We have a plan when this happens. First, we email the client, then, if they don't respond, we call them eventually. If there is still no response, we step in and close the project ourselves. Client assured. Design projects will be awarded by our panel based on several factors, including the quality of the entry, the design brief guidelines, clients' comments and scores, and the creative's overall behavior and record on CrowdSpring. Abundant naming projects that have received over 100 entries go through the same process. The panel also reviews domain availability before selecting a winner. We hold payment for all awarded abundant projects for 30 days after the wrap up has been completed. Projects that are not naming projects or client assured or closed are marked as completed. In deciding whether to continue or abandon project, expected future revenue should be compared with relevant cost. If the future revenue is higher than the relevant cost, the project should continue. However, qualitative factors are very important in decision to continue abandoned project. Moreover, abundance of a project or national importance or a project acceptance of which brought high visibility to the firm hurts the pride of employees and might have significant functional effect. Therefore, it is a tough decision to abandon a project. Project abandonment analysis comprises the following consideration: justifying reason for organization to shut certain project down, why it does not make sense anymore to continue this project, and why it is better to terminate it instead of just freezing it. Comparing losses that a company will incur from abandonment of certain project against the profit it can prospectively earn by reallocation of resources to other projects. Evaluating of effect that project abandonment may cause to an organization owning it. Thank you.